It's the last thing you need to get the job done right on heavy-duty wheel bearings. Torque the lock nut. But do you have the right size sockets for each job? Or are you searching high and low to find one that fits close enough? 6-point, 8-point, spanner style? You need them all to cover everything coming in your shop. Lucky for you, we have them all. Nearly 100 lock nut sockets to finish the job. With the most complete sets of lock nut sockets available, trust OTC to have what you need. Set 9850 includes 21 6-point sockets from 2 3/32 of an inch up to 5 1/4 inch. Set 9851 contains 18 8-point sockets from 2 3/8 inch up to 4 1/2 inch, including 6-lug spanner wrench style. Set 9852 includes 12 6-point sockets from 2 9/16 inch to 4 1/8 inch. Each set comes with a heavy-duty display board to keep all sockets organized, hanging in plain sight and marked for each socket. Handy when a socket decides to walk away. Need truck pinion or bud wheel sockets? Check out sets 9814 and 1944 for the sockets you need to finish the job right. So you can work smarter, not harder, to beat the flat rate.